There's been a storm raging outside all night. It's still going, and apparently these sort of high winds and rain aren't going to stop until tomorrow. Oh, it's really scary. I'll show you. Of all the weather things, I actually find wind really scary. I don't know why. It's so scary. I had to take down all the bird feeders. I don't know why I'm whispering. It's just I feel like wind can't find me if I whisper. But yeah, I had to take down all the bird feeders last night. So I had to get up really early to go outside and sprinkle all the sunflower seeds and bits and pieces around in places where they'd find them. But they're still a bit confused, you know, so I've been sitting in the conservatory for a while watching the summer house. So they're flying to the places where the feeders normally are, and it's taken them a while to figure out that the food is all along like the little veranda bit. And I hope everyone's alright. We had a... Hello, puppy. The cat's here. She's really scared. She's been petrified. She doesn't normally, you know, stay in the house because she's like a feral cat, but she's here. Yeah, what was I saying? God, yeah, we had, I've never had it before, but you know, they've started doing this sort of, these emergency warnings on the phones. So our phone started making this absolutely hideous noise last night, and warning us, like it's a red weather warning. I don't know how, you know, like in America and other countries where there are really, really extreme weather events like earthquakes and hurricanes, and, you know, there are floods in, like, so my dad was from Pakistan. There were awful floods there some years ago, and oh God, it just, you know, we do get flooding here in certain areas, but nothing like they get in some places. So the red warning said, you know, there's risk of roofs flying off, of electricity cutting out. Yes, darling. I know, it's scary. Yeah, risk of trees falling, electricity cutting out, and risk to life and all of that sort of stuff. So